Hi y'all, we're gonna do an unboxing. I got a huge package from Olive & June, and yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. Okay, right on top we have 4 sets of the nails. This first one is length long and it's the twisted French. And then length long CCT. Length medium, to me, you are perfect. And then length medium CDJ and Sundance Shimmer Party. And then I'm just gonna go for it. Grab these, are what I'm guessing is all of the nail polishes. Okay, first one, Enchanted. It's such a pretty dark purple with shimmer through it. And then this one is Make a Rest. It's a beautiful dark blue. This is 1 for you, 2 for me. So pretty. And then this one is Last Minute Shopping. This one is To Me You Are Perfect. So it's the same color as these nails. And then it's actually dark green. Okay, and then we have the hand serum with cactus flower. And then this just says it's a ultra moisturizing serum that leaves your hands soft and smooth and nailify ready. You put 1 to 2 pumps on your clean hands, nails, and cuticles. And then these little things are some dry drops. You don't have time to sit around and watch paint dry. A few drops of these and you'll be ready to go. Apply after top coat, 1 to 2 drops per nail. This is the press-on glue. And then there's this box in here, which I think this is one of their like mani petty sets. It is. All right, let me show you. You can scan that and it'll literally show you how to use it. Here's what this is. Beautiful nails for everyone. Let's see what it says. Wrap it up. How to do a perfect bow. Okay, I'm going to show you what's in here now. This is a nail polish remover pot. There's a little ring in here that is adorable. Let me show you. This little package is so cute and little. Oh, I love it. It's a little tiny gold ring. Tiny. There's a tiny little bow on it. It's so cute. Look at that. Sorry, my hands are so messy. I'm doing a lot of like DIY stuff, so I'm a mess right now. Okay, and then long-lasting, super glossy top coat. I love that packaging. And then there's a little baggie, which is very nice. Okay, in here we have a cuticle serum with cactus flower. We have a nail file, a pair of clippers, a little buffer, a brush, and then there's this, which is the poppy, which you put on top of whatever nail polish you're using and use this to hold on to rather than a lid, and it gets you smoother strokes. And yes, I did just look it up, so that's why I knew about it, because I've never heard of it before, and that's actually very cool because I'm definitely a mess when it comes to nails. But yeah, thank you so much, Olive & June. I 100% recommend them. I have been seeing them in stores for so long, and my sister and I have got them a couple times, and it's just so fun.